Best exam study routine and timetable for students. Wake up at 6 o'clock, freshen up. Do some exercise. Break fast 6:30. Start study at 7 o'clock. Take a subject in which you are weak. Take a break and eat some dry fruits 9 o'clock. Around 9:30 to 12 o'clock, go for some math solving sub. But in between, take a break of 5 to 7 minutes. Lunch 12 o'clock, and make sure don't delay this time. Take a rest 12:30 to 1:30. 1:30 to 4 o'clock, memorize the theory or choir science-related sub or past papers. At 4 o'clock, take a break for 15 minutes and have some refreshments. Have tea, snacks. 4:30 to 6:30, revise easy subjects. 6:30 to 7:30, go for a walk. It help you to release stress. 7:30 to 8:30, practice on your writing speed and skill for exam. 8:30 to 9:30, read something to improve our knowledge about English words. Dinner time 9:30. Bedtime 10 o'clock.